guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.
So you've been following my Embu County series and you absolutely love the videos that I've been putting out and you really want to come out here and enjoy it. But wait a minute, where are you supposed to stay during your visit here? That is the same question I had until I came across this amazing hotel. And since it's my second last day here, and this is basically the second last video of Embu County, I decided, you know what, I'm going to give you guys a room tour as well as a tour around the hotel, so that when you come here, you know what you're getting yourself into and you know what you're paying for. So you guys, this is the main bed and then there are other beds here. So that means this is a room that can actually even fit a whole family. Yo, it has a television, there is a mini fridge right here, there is a breakfast set up here, a big bed with bedside tables, as well as a small bed for your kids. The lighting is amazing. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7 lighting outlets. They have a beautiful selfie mirror right there, and the bathroom. Yo, are you ready? You guys, and there's also an amazing balcony that overlooks the hotel. Yo, do you want to go in here? Let's check it out. Something else I know most people have a concern with, especially when they are trying to book hotels, is the Wi-Fi. Yo, the Wi-Fi in this place is amazing. It's fast. And I know most people, when they travel, mostly it's usually for business. If not for business, for leisure. But even though you're traveling for leisure, you don't want to spend a lot of money on bundles, you know, and you still want to stay connected. And yo, the Wi-Fi here is amazing. I don't know what else you'd be looking for, is it? I'm still trying to think about things that I would need that I can't find here, and I still don't get that. Okay? So, yeah. Hey, so that has been my room tour. I hope you like it. It's an amazing room. And when you come to Embu, you know, the right place to come to is right here at Mountain Breeze Hotel. And I will try and organize a discount for you guys. So once you come here, just say you're coming here, you've been sent by Maureen Mo from Lost to Adventure. So let's go see what the outside of the hotel looks like, okay? Let's just go see. Let's just go, you know, walk around. act like we got shit together. Okay, let's do that. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have been showing me, and you know what would make it better if you hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, because that tells YouTube this is a nice video and to suggest it to more people, which will help me be able to go farther and show you greater and nicer places. So you guys hit the subscribe button, please. One of the biggest perks of this hotel I have not seen in most hotels in Embu is that it has a pool right in the vicinity. Like, you guys, just outside your hotel room and you have a pool. You can go there, have fun, take pictures, do all that good stuff. And get this, they have a freaking lifeguard, so you're safe to go. Oh my goodness, this place is amazing. I'm not even exaggerating right now. One of the most amazing things that I found about this place, when you're just coming to eat or you're coming to stay here, there is a playground for your kids, so they are always busy. Thank you so much for watching. All the details and location pin will be in the description, as well as a way to book the hotel.